Okay, so for today's yogurt, you'll need 1 young coconut, 1 banana, a piece of ginger root, some hemp seeds. I prefer the hemp hearts, organic, and whatever fruit you want to use for today. I'm using a tropical fruit medley, and some cloves, which is optional. Also, you'll need some spring water, and let's get started. Okay, so you'll need about 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds and a few dashes of clove. It's really powerful, so you don't want to use a lot. And this is a coconut that was cut open already, and all of the flesh was kind of scraped out. So you'll need 1 cup of the coconut flesh. Not the coconut water, just strictly the coconut flesh. Next, we're going to add 3/4 to 1 cup of spring water. You can add any fruits, nuts, or whatever you would like to the yogurt and sit it in the fridge for about a half an hour to get it a little more thicker, and it's good to go. For sweetener, I use bananas, but if you want to make it a little more sweet or you don't like bananas, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of agave and it'll be perfect.